We live in a world today that is full of noise, full of confusion, full of competing voices. And it is crucial, listen to me this morning, it is crucial that we can recognize the voice of God in our life. Especially if you are a father and a mother of children, you better be close and in tune with the voice of God as He desires to speak with you. Someone put it this way: God's word is not given to us to satisfy our curiosity, but to transform our character. When God speaks, it is not merely for information, but for transformation.